Good morning, you guys. Good morning. I'm all the way at the Walmart in North Man. So I received my first order, you guys. It's 8 o'clock right now, 8 o'clock. And it's a shopping order. Only going to shop for 6 items. Only going to shop for 6 items. And it's going, I think, 5 miles and $21. So why not? Very good order. So let's go shop. I need 2 of this. And I also need 2 of this. And we need a case of water. I am here. Let's go deliver. There's a little hill here. Ouch. You guys, it's 9:43 right now. 9:43, and I just now received my second order, you guys. $13, going 3 miles, and it's only one drop off. Only one drop off. So it's still showing that they're still packing it. So let's wait and let's wait and see. Okay, yeah, the order is shows ready. So let's go park in the parking lot. It shows ready, so let's go here on 28. Let's drive 9 minutes. Let's go deliver our order, guys. Only 9 minutes away. Okay, you guys, we just delivered. He was waiting for me outside, so let's go back at Walmart. Okay, y'all, it's been a minute without having an order, so guess what? They gave me $19 for 12 miles. You guys, I jumped on it. I took that order. I know it's not paying $2 per mile, but hey, when it's slow, you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's take this order, and I'm just waiting for them to bring it out. That's it. That's it. Okay, we'll pass shopper. Good morning.
Good morning.
You have a card for me?
Yes.
Okay. $15, you guys. $15 for 8 miles, and only have to shop for these 3 items. So I'm going at checkout right now. And so far, right now, it's 11:50. 11:50. So let's go check out. So you guys, right now it's 3:21. 3:21, and I left. I went to pick up the kids from school. I think the last order that I did was a 1, and I stopped working, and I went to pick up the kids from school. So I'm back to see if I can take two to 3 orders if I receive them. And before I left, I was on $94, $91. So let's see how much that we're gonna go home with, y'all, because I don't know. Alright, it's 3:30 right now, and I just received a shopping order. $25, going 5 miles, and I'm shopping for 2 customers. So let's go. Alright, I am done shopping for the order, guys. So let's go deliver it. Alright, that's drop off. Hello. Okay, you guys, I just received another shopping order, you guys. $28. Very good order. $28, and I have to shop for 2 customers. 2 customers, and it's going 6 miles. So let's go pick it up. I mean, shop it. You guys, it's 6:39 right now. 6:39 after my last order, you guys. I think I did 2 more orders. One was $20-something, and the other one was $30-something. I'm gonna put on a screen. Yep. So the day went so good, you guys. I was receiving orders here and there, so I'm so thankful. And I think I made. Let me go double check because I don't know how much. So I made 177, y'all. 177. So thankful. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.